What is happening, guys? Have you ever looked at your Gmail and just thought, holy crap, this looks horrible? Now, I created an agent that is basically automatically sorting my Gmail out. And by the way, this can work for other emails as well, but I use Gmail. So let's dive into this because there are some tools that are charging you 20 bucks a month to just do this alone. And this will solve that. So we're going to be using NA10 as always. And here what we're looking at doing, it's a really simple workflow. This is why I love this one. And we're going to be taking a node from Gmail, right? And this is the trigger node. And what that's going to do is that is just basically going to look out for any new emails coming in from my email account, right? And so here we have one coming through, coming through from there. What this is then doing is this is then getting the message basically. And so this is some kind of like GovTech summit. So this is like obviously like a marketing email that I clearly have received. And so what is then happening is it's going through to this kind of just basic LLM, right? Where we've got it hooked up to Claude 3.5, nice and cheap, not expensive. And it's a very, very simple prompt. So copy this prompt now, take a screenshot of this, shove that into Claude, shove that into OpenAI, whatever you use, and just get it to transcribe this prompt from the screenshot. But here we're saying your job is to read this email and analyze if we should label this email as the name of the label is either the word after A, B, C, etc. to respond. And then I've basically created the labels inside of Gmail. So one thing that you're going to have to do for this is you're going to have to head to your Gmail and you're going to have to create new labels, the ones that you want to use. So I've used FYI, comment, notification, meeting update, and then marketing. To get the label IDs, which is what you need here, right? Label 9, label like 14, blah, blah, blah. You'll then just need to go use Gmail here. And you basically want to get the labels, right? And so what that's going to do, get label info, you can get that. And that's going to basically just tell you the different types of label IDs that you can use. But you can also get that from Gmail as well when you set that up. And then you just want to input that and map that across like I've done here, which is like the comment ID equals label here. And I've then given it the prompt on what that basically would look like. This then outputs it in a certain structure. The structure is label marketing, label ID XYZ, where it then updates the actual label on Gmail's end, right? And so it basically then puts the label name and the label ID, or the message ID, and we're grabbing the message ID from the previous step, the previous Gmail node. So then what happens is this is then automatically updating any new email that I actually get with a label. And we can see like I'm running this one, right? Like look at all the, like this is all from today. These are all of the emails coming in. We had some errors back here, but it reruns because I've got it rerunning if anything errors. And that will then automatically update and sort my Gmail inbox, which means when I go to my inbox, I just go through my labels and only look at the ones that are important to me. And basically this system takes care of the rest.